Tariki ni Ikomi mutinyo yo 12 mwaka bwa 2024 nabigo ne ritukolimanyikane yo gucengera obwene bwo mwanyabantu asensengima Chinga kichingia kigimani aliganira inkoletere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yobwenye karanso ikenkomanyinche Cynthia Kerubo Okay. Naso chakira amatuko 15 na limo ayo alengete okorwane chisegi chiegenka ose gender based violence GBV nigo akonyara kabaka wikero mweli litko liareriga digitaliki 10 nekero amandamano ayarengete gukora gusogwitwa kwa basubati okwiga nigo nyara kabaka kwaniki guchinsemo meyense ya Kenya na se county ya Kisii nigo abwatania na bigo bali bakwamereria obwene bose bali bakwegera obwene bwa mwanyabantu banyara kababa gutalira gatagati y'umucyo bosongo Niko nyarako abagu wake koko nabo gukwanira amangana arengete chisegi chegenga
nchi mzima na dunia mzima tukisema kila mtu aheshimiwe. Kuna mtu akona haki. Uwe mbaba, uwe mama, uwe mtoto ukona haki na haki zako lazima ziheshimiwe. Ziheshimiwe lazima tuheshimu hao sio. Yes, tunasema kwamba kama wewe ni mwanadada pale na unadhulumiwa, tafadhali enda upige ripoti. Piga ripoti hapa Kisii Central Police Station. Ukienda pale, enda kwa gender test. Hata tumeilebo. Wewe ni mwanaume, unadhulumiwa na mwanadada, enda upige ripoti. Wewe ni unaona mtoto anadhulumiwa, enda upige ripoti pale kwa polisi. Tumekataa dhuluma zozote, tumekataa.
Tutikaritase county ya Kisii asoma igabwa kumwenia Reverend Peter Ombui asensemo yasunika imebunge ya Bonchari siasa nigo janyara kobage kubata ensima gayoyo kabere mu MCA we ward ya Kiogoro Apoko Samuel Apoko agochika bne serikali ya county ya Kisii tanyara kobage kuberanirya abamenyebe county yo magendre na babalirete chira cyabacenga kichichi campaign egento okirira enseme yabaraya bwekira nase enseme yo gati yabo mukonyi bo mugavana we county ya Kisii Muskeleja Obebo murai babanga se county ya Kisii Henry Muracha nabo igo omo MC obweka omuske Richard Manani konyara ko baba kumwiranira apoka so kumwegerera arati na goteba muna emirimo yanyare ko bakya kora se county ya Kisii nabo igo na mayana chekwenekirwa ime county ye
bitigabana no mura ekinare ko kwana kyomo inclusive yaye kwangalibaga ekero murobisi abantu bakuba criticize gichamba abarama na inube kashoki moremererie mokore mirimo imwatebigwe takwanza kwembura abantu ngagwatebigwe obebo gwanja gojegendeke atari murembe atari tini aiga go ikusibenda na Florence ya kwamara bwonia isaine okore mirimo kizikamu murembe tokore tiki asomore mbore nakaryo gatura ikigoro nabona ariko basabera mayabanda abakisi county nyasaba ko isemi no mugani mokore mirimo aba yabasinyire pi lakini Yesu nabakonyera hanyuma
apo kaya sako nyorari bakakwanda nge serikali mubere wanya kurutergendo problem teyo lobuna bobo kimabwa ndara kore deki egento kindi kyomoeli serikali ende Jones ebe yomuska simbarati. We want to be told the truth so that we can give our people service. Hapa pastor Nyamuroronya tuagosire turekebishe ili tuokoe watu wetu tuwatoe tuende mbele. Na huo ndio uongozi. Egenda kenene amaskani abantu baminto. County ya itotari atiezi ya gasi yasinyire. Na edenta etenkwana moise korigereria no ni chigasi chiakorirwe. Nchi anya okorekana. Omweshimiwa boko kwa kwonire buye sana.
sabero mheshimiwa muongo gako genda iguru tachikoba ngano muntu jo criticize ebintu bitayo tigato tebanya bo maene inche bunande iga ari senko rugo sembogeka nabogo chanko bare ekigiakoru ekenkera akorwa mokoba abantu mororonga mogo criticize serikali okoba mota itomonya ori handout. It cannot happen. Etua beire ga iga serikali ya matukali ya maketua beire ebintu biarenge bikongu abantu baminto egento to koroko morega iga wa pasta bange tigato sabere county yaito omorembo koreki obororo kipara cheto nchire chinsemo chitalingiya ebitacho byeto mbire chinsemo chitalingiya lakini rende nabe kirumuruberi norororo egasi yingoko rwere bune mbura igotigosira iga buna embure gosira buna kanyanere to gerere ya sinini ebitacho mbire bune gekerema ata iga mo china beka iga kigasareka nebinde kumekakati nero ochaka kitali weekend iga nekipara iyo kasi itafanywa
nabutura kwana mange nabutura ongorane mono onde kore na nyare onde no mokongu lakini omonto no monto ndona ko bana karinge serikali ya Paul Simbara ati sengo mo deputize mbuyere biri bitara kore kana bike nko bikora tole ekegara ro mwero njaga gitulitukeri elimo itutukta
nakora sense menda bali mibeke meriye chaye wakwire chaye abase factory ya Nyansiongo titkolya banyara kwa bagutwarire karase factory yo iri kwa namangana yaringete kemeriye chaye se factory yo na nimono amangana ayobora ya se chinga kichecho ni wanyara kwa bagukwanira amange na asibanyara kwa bagotemuna tibago kirine nchere merbole gokorekana ase factory yo ne yokubarai ko babulya barai konyara kwa abagweso kana kubeka emerobelire bya
Samarieta nguru kupatro banyabuti machama na kabero mo director o Gesima Micro na rueto 2021 asenge njombo atari yanda chae I was forced ko convene mukutano yo baremi ole bune consultative meeting to ko semania etuale ko semania igoro ya mangana ye chae tuaro de chikasoro jinyinga jire se factory eito ande ntoko takachigendere kwa mana no na bali mitole na ndo bali miuna woka totakemete like now eje mwere bosio ntoigwete mepange ero etarimia n'abantu bakombo irubaje kuoga bagotebana tuetiri twakorire ki lakini asabali mibarura maoni itu twakwanire twatebire na kende gyonse kegwetigwa ase factory kegenda somo choko tari okugora abantu gojigo shout gojigokora ki tigabali mibaigwe powers and time kero muremi na togamba factory ritu korigima kero monda kwane tari abantu bachorire ntuma abantu bachorire bajugukwana lakini ekinto uwanja unabalemi kwa maana factory area ne yeto twensi igona rona leo semia balimi baito naki tigato tuaro marembe tobamo na ndanene tusire factory tuire chao kwa maana factory area gukwa na nende tubo factory ende toja kogenda bintu bito biro bia sarikire binge abalemi abangoro cha bande babere aged bone bakona juchibeso batameti irenga nkoruririri nande ngaichigochi ne forum bono ntubwati forum tokubori manganaya na rai bono ro jitu ajira ko bori inki bori kagenderete asobu ororo
kurasense mendo mwaziri ebwechi gosori omuske kipchumba murkomen bondi anyare ko baga kubulia basai wesokia asenchira ebwena teri kunyara ko bakulia konyara ko baba konyo chinchira chindonge chukuganya ne meroberi yo kuganya na emechando eye kunyara ko bage ko batania abatige go itana bo go ita abantu banderi go kole mechando yabo.
I'll focus on current issues affecting our society, with the young people being in the forefront of the change we want. Today, in scouting, we are not saying scouts are leaders of tomorrow. We are telling them you are leaders of today by taking your positions and bridging the gap where the society need to be supported.
As a Ministry for Youth, we are going to continue partnering with you, as we agreed recently, to make sure that some of your programs are supported by the ministry for you to be able to advance and to be able to provide solutions to the challenges that are facing young people. We are dealing with also issues of we are also propagating and supporting
bagyo kwene kibuna kibese chinkunyara kubatire chigokonya abanderi gukine uchumi yense ya Kenya.
Of the 1.5 million people who today will have their credit limits enhanced, the highest being from 50,000 to 150,000, there is another 4 million borrowers who must be listening to me this evening. These 4 million borrowers have maybe an outstanding amount. Maybe they have not paid on time. Maybe they have exceeded, instead of 14 days, they are at 45 days, or they are at 30 days. If they pay, these 4 million borrowers, if they pay their outstanding, the window for them to be moved to the bridge loan, which then doubles or triples their credit limit, exists. So the 4 million people out there who have not paid their money, you have a chance. We are going to assess you once you pay. We are going to assess you for 2 months, and then we will graduate you to the bridge loan. We want many to come on board. As you are aware, the whole Hustler Fund intervention was to remove the penalization, the blacklisting, the condemnation of people, but to give them a chance to improve on their credit rating. And that is what we intend to achieve.
Chinga keche chomara iwense ya Kenya musike William Samuel rutaboniganya rekoba aga kubabolia abatugi konya ko bakubwatira nabo igo nabalemire gukina sector yo butugi nabo igo ensemo yo bolemi ya iganiga yakwana asomoye goyo masaringe ko bakwanira abarai babatuyabu ase county ya Wajir.
Call marginalization, promote inclusion, foster equity, and deliver prosperity for not just this region, but for the rest of the country as well. I listened to the chair of the FCDC, and he said correctly that the fortunes of our pastoralist communities are intertwined with the fortunes of the rest of Kenya. There cannot be, in my very honest analysis, a progressive Kenya without a progressive pastoralist community. 85% of Kenya is arid and semi-arid. And therefore, if we have to speak positively about the progress of Kenya, it is not possible to leave behind 85% of Kenya that is arid and semi-arid. And therefore, it is imperative that as we plan the way forward, if we have to move the country together, and if we have to tap into the potential that exists in our country, the pastoralist, arid and semi-arid areas must be part and parcel, if not central, to the development of Kenya going forward. In any case, the greatest potential today exists not in the rest of Kenya, but the greatest potential exists in arid and semi-arid areas, in the pastoralist community areas. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our development partners who have been strong supporters of this organization, in particular to thank the Swiss ambassador and the UNDP lead for your participation, your belief in this forum, and your support.
Wikirabu mwancho mulino to ikro mwere bwe Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi no meranere Kevin onkoba se Ekeonga Chinsa ibe na bwe Ekeonga Chinsa nye akamanya yamonanda mangi mnagende twateka sinchira yobo ikira ntoro bwe lyo buya tubige mrago bengi yanche Cynthia Kerubo wikari tukolia anki